A training video for CNS Homes and how to pull sales and marketing activity from the previous month in Podio. You will go to the correct workplace, which is AC Homes Master Template, and you will go to the Mail Stats application and click on that. And you're going to pull data from the previous month to see how many inbound phone calls, how many contracts, how many appointments, etc. we've had. So you go to the funnel icon in order to filter. You go to month and year, and then you're going to pick last calendar month. And that is the applied filter right there. You just click outside of the box. And it'll compute, and it's showing it has 46. Right. And you're going to click on this wrench icon, and then you're going to Excel export. Your app is being exported. You'll receive a notification when it's ready. This is where you'll receive the notification when it's ready. I've clicked on the notifications. In the drop-down menu, I have my notification that it's completed. Click on that, and then here's the file. The file is this hyperlink for Excel. Click on that. I'm going to open the file. All right, and I have a tremendous amount of data. A lot of this is not necessary. We want to open up the columns and rows so we can mean the rows more clearly. So we highlight the whole sheet by clicking there. We hover over one of these bars so it's vertical, and we double click, and now it creates space so you can read the title heading for each row. Alright, so this is the created on. These are all the month of July. That's correct. Campaign name, those are our codes, the drop date, and the campaign. Not all of this is needed, so we're going to delete the rows that we no longer need. So we don't need row A, B, C, D, or E. So we highlight those rows by holding them down and deleting, and we have to enable editing, my mistake. Make sure you enabled editing. We highlight the sheet. We open up all the rows so we can read them. I highlight row A. F. We delete. Okay. Campaign I'm going to leave on. Year stat, I do not need this row. So that'd be row B. Delete that. Units mailed I need. Campaign costs I need. Summary, row E, I do not need. We'll delete that. Call count, call ratio, I don't need the ratio rows. So anything with a ratio. So we're cleaning this sheet up so it's easier to glean the data. I don't need this now row I, which is offers rate. I don't need the rate, nor do I need the rate or the ratio rows. I'm going to delete those out. The last one is this incoming calls. And, sorry, not the last one. There's a couple more. Year stat we do, and then leads we do. Appointments we need, offers, whiteboards, tags we can get rid of. Okay. Now let's go back over to the beginning. So we've got our campaign code. So we know what the code is. The month and year, on second thought, we don't need. We know that these are all for the month of July. So let's go ahead and delete those. All right. And then what we do is we get to the bottom of the sheet. We know that row 48 is the end. So we're going to put total, T-O-T-A-O. We're going to bold this row. Now we're going to come, and we're going to start here. We're going to total these, all these columns are going to get totaled up. So we'll come over. Whoops, not quite that far. And we said we're going down to row 48. So we're going to stop at row 48, like that. We're going to do the auto sum. All right. So now here, in row 48, we'll have all our totals. Okay, so we have 2 units mailed. We have 60 calls. We have 48 leads. We have 1 appointment. Offers. So we're able to see the totals. Now this information will be used to put onto the KPI monthly tracking Excel sheet. So we need to save this document. It's a July 2016 mail stats. Saving it someplace simple on the desktop, and now I can use that and watch the other tutorial on how to fill out the KPI sheet. Thank you.